the fuck, man?
What you gonna do, bro?
Man, what the hell?
You good, dog.
What's your insurance?
I don't have none, man. My shit just expired.
Get a picture of the license.
Shit, bro.
Damn.
Hey, what made you want to turn? Like, hold on, bro.
What you laughing at? What the fuck is so
Call-
funny?
Call
My
911.
inside got fucking, my door won't even fucking open. What the fuck the bitch laughing at?
Call 911.
You call you back, mama. Dumbass bitch. What's the fuck funny about that shit? Which one do we need? Medical? Medical police?
Yeah, medical and police.
Medical police.
This nigga's good, bro. Oh, some dumb ass nigga.
Man, we just got into a wreck. Yeah, ran to the back of the car.
What made you want to make a U-turn?
Yeah, nah, because I was going the wrong way. You know what I'm saying?
You wasn't going the
Hey, hold
wrong
on,
way.
with your boy. Hold on, wait a
Hold
minute,
on,
bro.
fam.
Beat your motherfucking asses, bro. Just
Hold on,
turn
chill
right
out,
there,
chill
bro.
out, chill
No,
out,
they
chill
need to
out.
calm
Get
the fuck down,
No,
bro.
no.
Some real
Chill
ass
out,
shit.
chill out, chill out. That's my little sister, man.
Fuck
Man,
girl.
that's my little sister.
I'm good, man. Fuck
Man,
them.
we right here by the truck. Right by the church. You alright, mama? What? Your side got hit by what? Oh, shit. Oh, she got hit. Y'all just got hit again?
Nah, nigga, I ran into you. I bumped into the rail after you made that turn.
For real?
Why you make a turn right here?
Man,